Hey, hello everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video so I can create more diecast videos. Now let's have a look on how to build this fantastic diorama. Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to do a review about a new diorama from Moreart Gulf gas station scene model. Came in a lot of plastic protection, so that's good because it made a long journey all the way from China. Let's open up the box. Where do I have to open the box? Already a difficult start. Aha. Have to do it right here. There we go. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I think I'm going to take all this out. So it comes with a light. Yes. Instruction manual. Very handy. Okay. And this package right here. Go to do the box here. Okay. Scissor. It's not that there is an opening, right? No. I have to use a scissor. Oh, the window is still open. A little bit of street sounds, nothing wrong with that. It's probably the roof. Interior decoration for the store. Yes. More interior for the store. I'm going to put that right over there. Piece of road. Right over there. Okay, so here we got the base, piece of road. Okay, this is definitely for this here. And this must be for the store. I think it's best to have a look at the instruction manual. Okay, so this is one. We first have to build the store, put the roof on top, insert the pillar into the base plate and stick the small platform to the bottom, insert the concentration position of the plate, and insert the fixing pin of the fuel dispensers. Connect the fuel dispenser to the fixing pin. Then the roof. Splice small for large base plate and insert the billboard. It must be this right here. Place the battery in the back battery compartment and turn on the power switch. Okay. Let's start with the building. So I think this is for the store. Yeah. Okay, this is the billboard. Yeah, a lot of products for in the store. I like that. Okay. Okay, so this must be also the side. Yes. Not sure what this is. This is for the fuel dispensers, I guess. Ah, and this is the front. Okay, so this must be the back. Yep. Moreart. Okay, so I'm going to place this right here. Voila. Then, does it matter what side I choose? I think they're all same size. Okay, so you can decide where to put it, on the left, on the right. I place this right here. Perfect fit. And this right here. Then in-store products here and here. Is there a counter desk? I don't think so. No. Well, there should be something for here. And what is that? What is that? I have nothing here. Not sure what this is. There is something on the picture. Ah! Is this? Express? Something? Counter desk. Is this the counter desk? Yeah, I think so. Looked like it. Well, okay, then I think I have to take the protection off. And that's not easy, as you can see. Ah. Voila. Only one protection. Then we have to place it like this. Already looking good. Ah, I think that this is not... Yes, this is definitely for the roof. Don't throw this plastic bag away. You can use it for storage for bigger cars, trucks, etc. What the heck is this? Ah, to give it some 3D effect. Nice, I like that. That's absolutely more art. They think about everything. They're all into the details. Yeah, it's with a sticker, so you don't have to use any glue. Take it out. And place it right here. I have to do it like this, guys. Otherwise, I will fuck up. Sorry for my language. There we go. Nice. Gulf station. Yeah, I'm not sure what I think about this, and I'm not sure if I even have a battery for this plug. Light is here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Easy. Very easy. Okay, then next thing to do is place the pillars. Yes. So now we have to place this. So 5 meters go outside like this. But I think before we do that, first we're going to do this right here. Okay, so here we got a piece of tape. I think if we take it off, yeah, it's sticky. The hole is in the middle. We're going to place it right here. Yes, that fits. That's one. Then we have this piece. Perfect fit. Thank you very much, Moreart. And the other one, same distance as this one. Yep. Again, we put this inside. Then we're going for this. Hey, what the heck is this? Ah, battery compartment. Yes, I was already thinking this can't be right, so it has to be, this is for the light, oh, for the roof right here. Okay, think they're very well detailed, by the way. Everything is on the meter. There are even numbers on it for paying. Yeah, and this is made, I believe it's made out of wood. Anyway, it's very good quality. It's very good quality. Okay, I'm going to place this on here. Voila. Fits perfect, also very tight. And they put this one in another bag so you don't get scratches, you don't get any trouble that they scratch each other. Don't throw this away. You can put a car inside for protection in storage. I'm already very happy with this diorama. By the way, another diorama is coming from G-Fans. Yeah, G-Fans. And that's a Shell tank station, gas station. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Then, where's that round thing? Here. There it is. So now I have to put the thing, and you can see, I'll show it. So there goes the wire. So this has to be in the back. So it goes like this. And then this, okay, you have to take the dust off a little bit. And then you can place this right here. I'm going to do that right now. I think it's difficult when the roof is on its place and you have to do it. Oh, be careful. So if you're a real pro, so not like me, I'm just an amateur, you clean this so the sticker will fit better. Okay, I have to do this with my eagle eye, and I hope this is a good place, but I think it looks good. Yeah. Then what we're going to do, this is also one-way fit, so I know this because I worked with these systems for my RCs. You see this right here, so there should be, yep, that is also, let me show it, right here, so it goes in like this. There we go, yeah. Easy. Okay, then I have to, yeah. Okay, can I put it a little bit further inside? Is it? And then it should be. I think that's a little bit difficult. I hope there is enough room. You see what I mean? Yeah. Wait a minute. I'm going to do it like this. Yeah. Okay, it fits. That's one. I'm going to take the other one out. That's better to do it like this. Voila. And then see if I can. Yep, that's a little bit further. So it has to go all the way inside. This is how far you can push it inside. And then it should be fitting right here. So it was, yep, that's one. And that's two. There we go. Okay. Okay, I see this is still not good. So it has to be a little bit like this. Let's see if I can see this. You can see it right there. No. Careful, dude. Be careful. Yes. 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 Yeah, sorry for that. Otherwise, I will destroy the diorama. I hope the wire is still intact. We're going to check that because we definitely need a battery. Then we have the piece of road right here. And now it gets a little bit weird because I have to place this right here. Is that a weird position? Yeah, there is no other way to do it. So yes, that's a little bit of a weird position. It was better maybe here or here on the side would also be a good place, but now it looks like it's in the middle of the road, right? That's a little bit weird. Okay, what I'm going to do, going to get some batteries and let's see if the light is working. I hope so. Okay, I'm back. What do you need? 2 AA batteries. Put them inside like this. And then the other one next to it. Uh-oh. Off. Yes. Because here you got the switch. What? Light is working. Oh, so cool. So cool. Wow. Yes. Love it. My first gas station diorama in 1/64 scale. So it's my first gas station diorama in the collection, because I don't have any other in a different scale. So if you want this diorama, you think, whoa, this is a very cool diorama, I need that in the collection, and I totally understand. I'll leave a link in the description, but it's probably not in the Moreart AliExpress store, so you have to contact them. You send them a message, hey, I've seen a Gulf gas station on the Diecast Dude YouTube channel and I would like to have it. You can order another product and then saying, hey, I would like to have Gulf station. They change the price and you get the Gulf station diorama. Is it worth the money? Yes. Is there room for improvement? Yeah, right here. The rest, perfectly fine. Love the store, love the light in the store, love the products in the store. Building it, very easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Also cool what they done over here with the light. It is perfect. Fantastic. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and I will see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.